Economic globalization in the contemporary world. Introduction. Economic globalization refers to the increasing connection and interdependence of countries through trade, investment, and finance. It plays a big role in today's world as businesses and consumers rely on global products and services. Understanding economic globalization helps us know how the global market affect our daily lives as students and future professionals. It is relevant to society because it influences job creation, technological progress, and the price of goods we buy. Its short is connect every country's economic to one another. Understanding globalization today. Globalization is the process of growing interconnectedness amongst nations through trade, communication, and culture. It allows countries to share ideas, technologies, and goods. It today interconnected world globalization shape how we work, study, and live. Economic globalization it's a focuses on how money, goods, and services moves freely across borders. It it shows how local economic are part of a much larger global system. Defending economic globalization. Economic globalization means the integration of national economic growth, international trades, and investment. It involves the cross-border flow of goods, service, capital, and even labor. This process makes it easier for countries to trade and with each other and for companies to expand globally. Modern technology and communication makes it faster and cheaper to connect markets around the world. It helps increase productivity and innovation while promoting global economic growth. Contemporary drivers of economic globalization. Number one, digital technology and e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Alibaba connect buyers and sellers globally. Free trade agreement between countries reduce tariffs and promote global trade. Number three, transportation and logistic faster shipping and modern supply chain help products reach market quickly. Number four, global communication networks. The internet enables instant financial and businesses transaction. Key future in the global economic. The rise of multinational corporations that operate in multiple countries. Expansion of global supply chain that connect production from Asia to Europe and the US. Increase in international investment and foreign trade. Growing economic interdependence between nations. Creating a new job opportunities in developing countries. Multinational corporation in the 21st century. Companies like Apple, Samsung, and Amazon play a major role of the global economy. They design, produce, and sell products in multiple countries. Their corporation bring innovation, create jobs, and improve technology. However, they also influence global labor and environmental standards. Their success reflects how business has become truly international. Global trade in the contemporary era. Global trade allows countries to sell what they produce based and buy that they need. The World Trade Organization (WTO) helps manage international trade agreements and settle disputes. Regional trade blocs such as ASEAN, European Union, EU, and NAFTA OMSCA promote religion, reg- regional cooperation. Free trade encourage competition and innovation among countries. Each trade need global relation through businesses and economic growth. Global finance and capital flow. International finance links bank and stock market across country. Foreign direct investment (FDI) helps developing nations grow industry and create jobs. Today, money moves instantly across the global through digital transaction. Cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin represent the new era of global finance. Economic globalization allows investors to reach global market easily. Access to international market for local businesses. Consumers enjoy cheaper and more diverse goods. Technology and knowledge is spread faster around the world, promotes economic growth, the job creation, strengthens cooperation between nations for shared prosperity. Benefits for developing countries. Developing countries gain more access to global investment and markets. They benefit from foreign companies building factories and creating jobs. Outshoring and business process outshoring BPO industry like call center boosts local economics. International partnership helps them learn modern business strategy. Economic globalization gives them a path toward modernization and growth. It also encourages in education, innovation, and participation in global trade. Challenging and risks inequality. Not all countries benefit equally from globalization. Wealthy nations often gain more profit compared to poorer ones. The wealth gap between rich and poor countries continues to grow. Some workers in developed nations face low wages and poor conditions. This inequality can lead to social and economic nation. Challenge and risk vulnerability. Some countries become too dependent on foreign trade when global markets crash. Their local economics suffer. Workers and natural resources may be exploited for cheap production. Global financial crisis like in 2008 show how interconnected economics can fail together. This makes economic stability a major challenge in globalization. Case study ideas in its BPO industry. India became one of the world's leading outshoring hubs through its IT and BPO sectors. Global companies outsourced work to India because of skilled workers and lower costs. This create millions of jobs and boosted the country's economy. It's also improved education and digital literacy among young professionals. Indians' success show how developing nation can thrive through economic globalization. Case study 2008 globalization financial crisis. The 2008 crisis began with the US housing market collapse because economic were connected. The financial problem spread worldwide. Banks failed, businesses closed, and millions lost jobs. The event proved that a crisis in one country can affect the whole world. Since then, global financial monitoring has become stronger to prevent similar events. Economic globalization and the future. The future of economic globalization is focused on sustainability and fairness. New trends like the green economy, digital currencies, and eco-friendly trade are emerging. Countries must balance economic growth with protecting the environment. Digital technologies will continue to change how trade and businesses are done. The global is to create a global economic that benefits everyone equally. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.